Alright, what's going on, guys? Hope you are doing great. Been a little while since I made a video, but we're gonna drop a little bit more content now. Today is election day. I already voted early, so we don't have to worry about that line shit. And yeah, pretty sure Trump's gonna take the dub. Pretty sure. But enough with that. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we're gonna do some maintenance on the GTI. Gotta do oil change, spark plugs, and I figured while we're in there, might as well replace the coil packs just to get it out of the way. Preventative maintenance, I guess you could say. So we picked up some of the red APR coil packs. I think these look great. Nice addition to the motor. They claim to add 10% more electricity over stock, so a little bit stronger spark. I just got them for the maintenance wise, but they're gonna look cool in there nonetheless. Then we got some Brisk silvers. These are a step colder. Now I have the RS7 spark plugs in the car right now, and they've been performing great. Like, I don't have any problem with it. I just wanted to try something new. It has way more conductivity compared to other metal types, so I mean, I'm guessing you can get a stronger spark. I'm not sure. These came already gapped perfectly. And yeah, so these are just gonna go right in the car. Good to go, man. As you may know, the car is stage 2 E30. Almost full bolt-ons. I need an exhaust technically, but basically full bolt-ons. Absolute blast to drive, man. Like, every day I drive it, it's like so much fun. I never get bored, honestly. But I put a stage 3 clutch in the car for a reason. I've been enjoying stage 2 for a long time, and right now I'm just gathering a list. I'm doing a lot of research, seeing what's the best parts to get, and we're gonna do this thing, man. Springtime, car's gonna be ready. Right now it's, getting cold outside. Cars, like, it's good boost weather, but traction is like kind of an issue if you don't have like really crazy tires. But man, right now it's just time to get your money right and just focus on yourself. The car shit is kind of be on hold for a little bit, but we're gonna get that stage 3 turbo, man. It's on the way. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for future videos. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment what you guys want to see, and I hope you guys are doing great, man. Taking care of yourselves. Catch you guys next video.